Need more cargo space in your Honda Odyssey? I'll show you the safest and easiest way to remove the seats without damaging your van. First, park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and remove everything around the seats so you have plenty of working room. Not every Honda Odyssey uses the same seat design. Always check your owner's manual because removal steps can vary by model year and trim. Fold the seat back, unlock the release lever, then lift straight upward using your legs. These seats are heavy, so keep your back straight. Watch your fingers around the locking brackets. The seat can shift suddenly once released, so keep a firm grip throughout the lift. The floor brackets are designed to lock securely during accidents. That's why every latch must fully release before you try lifting the seat. Most Honda Odyssey third-row Magic seats aren't meant to be removed regularly. Instead, fold them completely into the floor for maximum cargo space. Place the removed seat upright on a blanket or cardboard to protect the upholstery, plastic trim, and metal mounting brackets from damage. When reinstalling, align the brackets carefully, press the seat firmly into place, and confirm every latch clicks securely before driving. Now you know how to remove Honda Odyssey seats safely. Like this video, subscribe for more Honda tips, and share your Odyssey model below.